Bezos hands over the reins, and your Tuesday pick, Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily, starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Tuesday, July 6, 2021. I'm Joshua Stark. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos stepped down as CEO on Monday, handing over the reins as the company navigates the challenges of a world fighting to emerge from the coronavirus pandemic. Andy Jassy, who ran Amazon's cloud computing business, replaced Bezos, a change the company announced in February. Bezos, Amazon's biggest shareholder, with a stake worth about $180 billion, will still hold sway over the company he started out of his Seattle garage in 1995. More after this on Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily, including your pick of the day. Stick around.
Research, fundamental experience, technical analysis, statistical probability. It's what sets us apart, and it's what will get you to stop watching and start living. Every day we track over 8,700 stocks to give you a list for over 131 disciplines and suggested entry and exit prices for each, not to mention how much we expect it to move on a daily basis. Stop watching and start living. Get started today at arbitragetrade.com.
Single biggest ransomware attack yet continued to bite Monday as more details emerged on how a Russia-linked gang breached the exploited software company. The criminals essentially used a tool that helps protect against malware to spread it globally. Thousands of organizations, largely firms that remotely manage the IT infrastructure of others, were infected in at least 17 countries in Friday's assault. Cassia, whose product was exploited, said Monday that they include several just returning to work. Your Tuesday pick focuses on the discovery and development of chimeric antigen receptor T, or CAR-T, cell-based therapies for the treatment of cancer. Its lead product candidates include CYAD-101, an allogenic CAR-T candidate, and that's Celyad, symbol CYAD, starts at $5.23 a share.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.